Hi, and welcome to F. Berg CRM's video on customer segmentation strategy. Why do you need a Zoho customer segmentation strategy? What does a customer segmentation strategy help you achieve? Have you sometimes looked at your contact list and got confused? Does it take you more hours than required to collect and interpret data as they concern your contacts? The thing is, you are most likely facing all those problems because you have not considered a customer segmentation strategy and how important it is for you to have one if you want your inbound marketing moves to yield results. What is a Zoho customer segmentation strategy? A customer segmentation strategy is a model of classifying your customers into groups based on mutual qualities or characteristics. These qualities could include income, psychographics, demographics, and industry. A well-planned customer segmentation strategy helps you group your contacts across similar lines, which makes it possible for you to communicate with your customers better. How is that? Segmentation means each contact will belong to a group of like contacts, which means that they would all have a similar way of responding to marketing content and language, tone, and style preferences. Imagine grouping children according to their age groups. This means that you will be able to communicate with each age group using the vocabulary and style that appeal to their group. This is also what a customer segmentation strategy helps you achieve with your contacts. An effective segmentation strategy is one that puts each contact in their group. The moment you leave a contact out of the appropriate list, there is zero chance of maintaining a solid relationship with that contact and acquiring or retaining it. Is a Zoho customer segmentation strategy necessary for an effective inbound marketing strategy? Yes. A customer segmentation strategy is necessary for an effective inbound marketing strategy. In fact, segmentation cannot be separated from an effective inbound marketing strategy. You cannot claim to run a successful and sustainable inbound marketing strategy if you have not classified your contacts in a way that allows your content to appeal more to them, thereby cementing your relationship with each category of people. Segmentation is an important way of getting to know each group of customers beyond the surface level. Agreed, there are general qualities that have made each of your customers a customer in the first place. This is what your target audience does. However, when you segment your contacts, you get to understand each group of contacts, what the members share in common, and how each group is different from other groups. This differentiation between groups will then be the basis for your unique way of approaching each group. Segmentation is also key to your advertising campaigns. You're more likely to convert your leads if you segment them. Segmentation helps you niche down and focus on delivering relatable ads to each group. Thus, the contacts in each group see ads they can relate to more. Segmentation will also contribute to the success of your contextual marketing strategy. With a strong segmentation strategy, you will know how to reach the right set of contacts with the appropriate content and in the most appealing situations. Any forward-thinking company knows the value of social proof to sustainable customer acquisition and retention. Humans are more willing to buy from a brand other people have tried and have something good to say about it. Here are ways through which you can segment your customers. Psychographic segmentation, behavioral segmentation, demographic segmentation, geographic segmentation, needs-based segmentation, value-based segmentation, technographic segmentation. What do we mean by these different segmentation types? How can you integrate these segmentation categories to help improve your inbound marketing strategies? Zoho is a CRM tool that allows you to create segmentations based on your contact lists and understanding of segmentation strategies. With Zoho, you can segment your contacts and communicate with each category via the channel they prefer. What to consider when creating a Zoho customer segmentation strategy? Establish your segmentation goals. The first thing to do when conceptualizing a segmentation strategy is to first establish your segmentation goals. Why do you want to segment? What do you aim to achieve via this segmentation? Knowing what to expect from your segmentation strategy will help you determine what needs to be done and what needs to be left out, which is important to creating an effective segmentation strategy. Create your customer segmentation groups. Once you determine the goals of your segmentation strategy and the expected outcomes, it becomes easier to determine what customer segmentation groups you want to create and what groups you want to leave out. Here is an instance. You do not need to segment your customers according to location if location is not an important variable to helping you improve on your inbound marketing strategy. Plan your implementation process for your segmentation strategy. After segmenting your customers, the next step is to implement your strategy. What is the essence of segmentation if it is not used to improve your inbound marketing efforts? Therefore, following your segmentation, use the insights gained from the segmentation to determine the best ways to reach out to each group and how to implement your segmentation in your product and outreach lifecycle. This means that segmentation does not end at marketing efforts alone. Your sales team needs to understand your segmentation strategy, and so does your product design team. All your teams need to understand your segmentation strategy, as this will help your company become a company for the individual or the distinct group, and not a general company or a company for everyone. People will be more willing to buy from you and continue to buy from you if they feel a personal connection to your brand. This personal connection can be enhanced through inbound marketing efforts, and this cannot be effectively done if you do not have a customer segmentation strategy. Test your segments and run an analysis. Segmentation is not a one-off thing. You will often need to optimize your segmentation strategy for better results. To do this, you need to analyze and run your segments to see how they're performing. Experiment, get feedback, re-strategize, rethink your segmentation goals if need be. Segments can be revamped if need be. You and your team must know this. Your segments are not infallible. Essentially, a solid customer segmentation strategy will help you niche down on your customers based on similarities. This in turn makes it easier to efficiently organize your content and ways you engage your audience. A segmentation strategy is indispensable for you if your goal is to kickstart an inbound marketing strategy that works. This brings us to the question, how do you create segments and integrate them into your inbound marketing strategy? The answer is using an all-inclusive CRM tool like Zoho. Zoho allows you to group your contacts into segments based on your overall marketing goals. Thanks for watching our video on Zoho customer segmentation strategy. We hope you had as much fun watching this as we had making it. If you use Zoho marketing tools and need some assistance, please visit our website at www.fbergcrm.com, call us at 15403606256 or email us at zohonow@fbergcrm.com.